Lovely viewers, today in this video I give you brand new hairstyle and haircut and hair dye color ideas, which is about the latest trending haircut, hairstyle and hair dye coloring ideas for all over the world. You can use to make your fashion lover, and you can use this style in different types of ceremony like as party, birthday and wedding ceremony. The world of hairstyle is a treasure trove of creative, where classic and modern trends collide to create stunning looks. Among the timeless favorites is the half up bouffant hairstyle, which effortless combines sophistication and glamour. This elegant hairdo has been a red carpet staple for years, and it's on wonder why Aussie's vintage glam will maintaining a contemporary edge. In this article, we'll explore the intricacies of the glam half of bouffant hairstyle and how you can achieve it with ease. The half of bouffant hairstyle is a striking fashion of two distinct elements, the voluminous bouffant crown and the free flowing casting looks. This duality makes it a various choices for various occasions, for casual gathering to formal event. The bouffant, which takes its inspiration from the 1960s, is all about creating volume and drama at the crown of the head. This is achieved by backcombing or testing the hair to give it that lush, buffed up appearance. Use a fine tooth comb or a tweezing brush to gently tweeze the hair at the crown. The more you tweeze, the more volume you will achieve. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel if you like my effort about this video. So please click on like button and press bell button to get my latest video, because these are unique and latest design try you can easily